Good morning, everyone. I'm back with another video explanation of my daily Python coding challenges. So today I am on Data and Motion's week 39 easy coding question, and I'll leave the link to this question in the description below in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. The instruction is to create a function that takes a list of non-negative integers and strings and returns a new list without the strings. So as you can see, I already did my skeleton where I declared my solution function, and I already copy and pasted the test cases into my main so that we're able to run it whenever we're done with our solution. So let's go ahead and get started on the solution itself. So the instruction says that it's to return a new list without the strings. So I always like to do my return first. So first I'm going to say return new list here at the bottom, and then I'll go up and add in that solution for itself. So we have to let Python know what new list is, so I'll go ahead and declare that variable for new list here. And new list, of course, is going to be a list as the instructions stated. So with this solution, we're checking each item in the filter list to see if it is a string or not. So we're going to go ahead and do a for loop to make sure we're looping through each element there. So we'll say for, we could do item in, well, I said string list, so we'll just put string list for string list. And then we're checking to see if it is a string or not. So we'll say if item, we'll say type item because we want to know what type of data it is. If the type of item is not equal to string, so we want the elements that are integers, and we're going to add that to the new list. So we'll say new list dot append, and we're going to add that item. So that should be the solution. We're just checking if the item is a string or not. If it's not a string, we're going to add it to that new list, and that new list should only contain those integers now. So let's go ahead and run this code and see what we get in return. So we got Python 3. And we're just going to enter the name of the file itself. And there you have it. Everything is looking correct here. So that was a pretty straightforward solution. We just first created a list to return, and then we looped through the original list, grabbing everything that is an integer, and we appended it to our new list. So let me know how you guys would know what about solving this solution, and give me any tips that you think will be helpful for helping me improve my own code. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a good day.